Let's take a trip to Hawaii. Hey everyone, I'm Amy and welcome back to Life. In my last video, I moved to Hawaii, but I haven't been able to go explore the area, so I thought I'd look back on the videos from the trip that made me want to move to this state. So, started in Kauai for my brother's 30th birthday. I was ninth wheeling with him and his friends and their wives and girlfriends, and it was still a great time. Did a lot of exploring, swam with turtles, got to hike in the rain, and then I flew over to Maui by myself and stayed with my cousin, did some snorkeling there, went on some hikes, did the whole Rio de Hana thing, got toured by some locals. So it was a really great time and made me fall in love, and here I am in Hawaii now. So here you go for your enjoyment. When I crossed off number 115 off of my list, visit Hawaii. Here at Smith's Family Garden Luau. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ben. Happy birthday to you.
3.
Hey, you're 3 years old, Ben.
3 years old.
Yay!
What kind of cake is it?
It's a pineapple macadamia nut cheesecake.
Oh.
So that was my first trip to Hawaii, and the next trip that I made, I moved here. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of what Hawaii has to offer. Look forward to seeing you guys next time. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. I will be posting new videos approximately every 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that. Also tag us on Instagram at Live Your FulList for a chance to be featured. That page is all for you guys. We want to see what you guys are doing to live your full list. All right, see you next time. Aloha.
50 cents, that's $1 off already.
Hello, little babies.